Madam, where are you going? You are going to farm?
Yes.
You are going to farm? When your house is on fire.
Fire.
Eh? Your husband is cheating on you.
Eh?
Your husband, real woman is inside your house now. Eh?
Like this man want to kill me, Abi? You are sure that you saw my husband?
See.
This man!
Continue.
Every time you're cheating on me. Ella, you told me what that. Why didn't you tell me that you're coming now?
It's okay.
You know her. He's our last born and my younger sister now. Why did Shebi, you are the one that told me that he's
Photo. Not be juju be that.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Ella, why did you do this? You have gone strong.
No. Oh, Mumu, not too much. Oh, Mumu, not too much. Hey! 70 years old man.